Are you searching for best BNC cable for oscilloscope? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best BNC cable for oscilloscope in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Cleqee T3100 High-Voltage Oscilloscope. Universal 100:1 high-voltage oscilloscope probe. It is recommended to provide high-quality oscilloscope accessories. Specifications: 100:1 attenuation, input resistance of 100 megohms, input capacitance of 6 pF, compensation range 10 to 35 pF, bandwidth 100 MHz, rise time 3.5 ns, maximum operating voltage max 2 kV VPP, length 1.2 meters. Package includes 1 probe for color ring, 1 user manual. Number 2. P6100 Oscilloscope Probe Kit, adjustable oscilloscope probe that is compatible with the BNC interface, digital oscilloscopes, virtual oscilloscopes, handheld oscilloscopes, etc. Package includes P6100-2 PCS, 2 probes, 8 marker rings, 2 ground leads, 2 IC test protection cap, 1 adjustment tool. Number 3. Hantek T3100 High-Voltage Probe for Oscilloscope, brand name, Hantek, model, T3100, Hantek T3100 High-Voltage X100 Probe for Oscilloscope, 100 MHz Oscilloscope Probe X100 Passive High-Voltage Probe Oscilloscope. Number 4. OWON Oscilloscope Passive Probe, brand name, OWON, feature, suitable models, OWON XDS3000 series benchtop oscilloscopes, handheld HDS200 series 3-in-1 oscilloscopes, etc. Package include 1 passive probe, 1 English instruction, 1 accessories pack. Number 5. Quality Full Oscilloscope Probe Oscilloscope Cord, model, P6100. The oscilloscope probe is made of high-quality materials, which is durable and has a long service life. Wide compatibility. This oscilloscope probe is compatible with most oscilloscopes. It can be used for a wide range of applications, such as home, office, school, and so on. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this probe oscilloscope is perfect for your home and office. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.